This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have a pattern on Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at the triangulation on the 8 hourly, on the daily. We're also going to be taking a look at the DXY. Very important, the dollar index. We have two easily identifiable patterns. Hit the like button if you trade Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Taking a look at the pattern on the 8 hourly. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this is a very standard pattern recognized by the TA authorities. That would be Bulkowski, Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. Guys, it's a 1,200-page book. They've got every formally recognized and studied chart pattern that you're going to find. So in terms of that, we use Bulkowski along with New York Institute of Finance, all right, where Wall Street goes to school. We study the patterns because we want to see the probabilities involved. And today is a two-step approach to the TA. We're going to look at the roof formation. Now, most people think that a roof is somewhat odd. I'll tell you, it's half of a diamond. So when you look at a diamond pattern, a diamond top or reversal, when we were to bring this into context, most people will start to make a bit more sense of a roof formation if we pull it into the context of something they're more familiar with, like a diamond. So we're looking at a half diamond shape, and you guys know that is buttressed along this lower level here by the preceding. Let's look at this preceding if we can, and I'll put this on the weekly so that we can see that. But yes, that bottom level support is just buttressed here by that preceding 2017 to 18 high, right, on Bitcoin. So as we look at the pattern formation, the most relevant let's say aspect of this formation. Let's go through the probabilities. I'm gonna make this work. And guys, happy Friday night. What's going on? We got another VIP weekend in the house. In terms of the probabilities with the roof formation, that half diamond, we're looking at a 58-42 split. 58-42 split. The question is, people always ask is the price going to go up or down? Really, the proper question is, what's the percentage probability of it going up? That would be the lesser probability, 42% of us breaking to the upside on Bitcoin. What's the probability, not is it going down, what's the probability of us going boom to the downside? And this is a nice presentation in terms of the technicals because, yes, we have a 58% boom probability of moving to the downside. Now, in terms of the accompanying pattern, I want to talk about the DXY. We are looking at asymmetrical triangulation. I have brought up the details for you as well, and I always share this information with our VIP first, guys, out of the starting gate, so that they can assess it, so that they can, guys, they have information on all of the perks, including our incredible indicator. You guys know how well it has worked. Recently taking a look, guys, look at this short opportunity that we had yesterday. You guys saw that? Beautifully, guys, well done. Anyone who took the short yesterday, I know VIP did. We'll go through some returns. I'll remind you right now, you're tucked underneath that 20 on the Bollinger Band, 20 moving average. You guys understand the tactics, okay? Trade tactics. Once you cross through this band, I'll invite you and remind you to look at the type of candle that is set, but setting underneath the 20, the market begins to target that bottom side band. That's on the 4 hourly. Always back test that strategy, but just wanted to remind you, we had the golden short yesterday. Boom, to the downside. That was over a 4% move for anyone who traded. Congratulations. I know you're making money. This indicator is gold. Fire and ice, guys. Fire and ice. We have that fire sale line. We'd like to be a part of that fire sale line. Definitely that green buy line. We have that golden short line, and then we have that ice cold short up above. Great for money management. You guys have to know that. And it's not my rules. It's not my opinion. It's New York Institute of Finance. If you disagree with me, disagree with them, and do that on your own time. I don't think that's a institution worth battling. Guys, that's where Wall Street goes to school. We're going to follow them the best we can on any aspect that deals with trading. Let's take a look at the formation here on the DXY. Let's go to the DXY. We just covered on the roof formation, right, that we were looking at a 58-42 split. 58% of these break to the downside. The 42% would be that stack move to the upside. Now, in terms of the symmetrical triangulation, taking a look at the trading tactics and the breakout and post-breakout statistics, all right, on a symmetrical triangulation, the DXY is showing this parabolic move. First of all, let me clean up just a moment in terms of, and shout out to the VIP, loving these weekends, guys. We're always trading. Looking at this parabolic move here that the DXY has made, the most immediately relevant pattern is this symmetrical Guys, this move of support, move of resistance, that specific symmetrical triangulation has the following, and I don't think coincidental statistics associated with it, okay? Very similar to the roof formation, that 58-42 split, almost a 60-40, right? 58, almost 60, and the 42, almost 40. That 60-40 split is what we're seeing, guys, in terms of the makeup. In terms of the probabilities, again, not is the DXY going to go up or is it going to go down? What we're going to say is that there's a 60-40 split, okay? So the odds are in favor of a breakout to the upside. 60%, guys, probability of moving to the upside. Make sure that you're viewing this on a big screen TV. So we have a 60-40 split. I'm going to count this as a bull market categorization for the DXY, given the fact that it's been extremely bullish for the DXY, right? We have the bear market statistics as well. We're the only group that does probability trading, guys. We're the only group that has fire and ice. We are the guys' #1 trade team. Let's go through a few of the incredible returns for the VIP. Taking a look at Liam, way to trade, my man, 227%. Liam, just have to shout out to you, my man, Scotland, big Scotland in the house, 227% on a short. Way to catch that short. See, VIP are trading, guys. They're trading, definitely in the back. Using that fire and ice is just a hugely beneficial. Let's take a look at the fire and ice. Hugely beneficial. And guys, I've studied them all. I built this to beat them all. Bottom line, if you're using it, you're beating them all. Period. Let's take a look at Gulshan. Congratulations, Gulshan, on a 674% long. Boom. That was a beautiful pickup as well, right on the line. You guys caught that yesterday? It was just beautiful in terms of that pickup yesterday with the volatility surrounding the CPI. Gulshan at 674%, hitting it on the long side. Then, guys, check this out. 254%. He caught the short as well. Way to go, Gulshan in the house. Way to trade, my man. Way to trade. Good job, Gulshan. Take a look at Arturo, hitting a couple nice ones. One triple digit, 115%. Guys, want to let you know every day you trade, you're getting better. And guys, once you get better, you're going to be making money. A lot of VIP already doing extremely well. It's been a very profitable last few days for the VIP. Not mom and pop shop money. Going to tell you guys some nice trades last couple of days at VIP. Indicator working very well. I want to invite you all to join VIP. Very important as you would look at the #1 trade group. And I'm going to remind you of this as we look at the DXY 60-40 split of heading to the upside. We would expect an inverse correlation. We would absolutely expect that inverse correlation, meaning DXY is favored to move to the upside. We would expect Bitcoin, and pay attention very quickly, we would expect Bitcoin, okay, to move in an opposite direction. Right, so the formulation, if you guys study this at all, if you're familiar with the measurement tactics, we would be moving to the downside with an amplitude move. Also, the interesting thing, just going to remind you one time on this, guys, but the specific move to the upside would require stacking the amplitude of the roof pattern, that half diamond, boom, 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 to the upside. So that's a nice upside target. What is that over? Guys, just taking a look at this, this would be from the current price. And guys, we're going to call that, guys, a very aggressive, we're going to call it between 60 and 80%. I'll make that more precise for the VIP in the back. It's going to determine, or it's going to depend upon whether or not you're including the base down to this level. If you're including the base of this triangulation down to this level, I'll tell you guys, you're looking at like an 80%. We've measured up through this level here, wherein you're looking at a between, I'd say, 65 and 80%. So it's going to have some variability as we move through this section. I want to invite you all to join VIP, #1 trade group. Get access to the indicator, get access to the probabilities in the back. This link will help you join. We are putting a lot together for VIP in talks, and guys, developing with the Bybit development team. Brand new VIPtrader.com. Join today. Once you join, go ahead and hit that first pin tweet. Put I am VIP. And guys, we're going to bring that style, that flair, that action from Bybit to your trading experience. All right. Not that you'll be trading on Bybit, but we want that development team in our corner. They're solidly in our corner with a 4 to 5 year development deal with, guys, VIP Trader. That's our new website that will be launching soon. Once you put I am VIP in response to that first pin tweet, I'll put you in the back. You will be with the #1 trade group. No apologies, no excuses. Guys, it is who we are. It is what we do. I'm a former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice, and this is what we love to do, is hit it out of the park every day. There's not a day of the week we wake up and just say, well, not today. We're not going to hit it out of the park today. Guys, it's VIP. is number one. So as you look at the 60-40 split shared between DXY and shared with the between the DXY and BTC, I'm just going to invite you, please, to apply the framework of Bulkowski, okay, as we go over these on more of a macro level, the 8 hourly, right? And then BTC, we looked at the 4 hourly. Apply this framework on the micro, without a doubt. Apply the framework on the micro. And I want to challenge, let's go ahead and challenge the VIP to take a look at the candle wicks, all right? Let's take a look at the candle wicks, all right? And you know the strategy, right, in terms of breaking the 20, etc. A little bit of a challenge in terms of what type of candle are we setting. Okay, when we break through the 20, right, New York Institute of Finance says, well, we target that opposite band. This stuff's interesting to you guys. You need to be with the group if you're not. In terms of breaking the moving average, the 20, let's say on any time frame, the opposite band becomes the target. I'm going to encourage you, as you assess the situation, as you assess the targeting, take a look at whether or not you're setting a doji. Take a look at whether or not you just set a hammer, right? Is there any bullish or vague, i.e. ambiguous, or aka ambiguous, formulated pattern candle in play? If there is, I want you to incorporate that, please, into your trade tactic without getting too far down the road in terms of candlestick patterns, okay? So to the extent that you have a bullish or an ambiguous candle set under or over the 20 moving average, guys, take heed, okay? Take heed on that. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Excited about another trade weekend. We'll be in the back. We'll be trading. We'll be trading fire and ice. And guys, we'll be doing it all weekend. Hope you guys are doing well. Looking forward to a lot of progress over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Shout out to Venus, #1 contributor. And sweetheart, want to see you trade over the weekend. Looking forward to that, without a doubt, guys. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.